Hey everybody, we're here to talk about FHA mortgages today. If you've ever bought a home or you're thinking about buying a home, you need to know a little bit about FHA mortgages. Oh, well, by the way, I'm Tim Ball. I'm a realtor with Keller Williams Realty in town Atlanta, specializing in town Atlanta neighborhoods. I'd be the first to tell you that there's a lot I don't know about real estate. But what I do know is when to turn to the pros, whether it's a CPA, an attorney, whether it's an appraiser or an inspector, or in this case, a mortgage specialist. And my mortgage specialist is Kim Pounders with Shelter Mortgage. By the way, if this video helps you today, hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like it, hit the subscribe button. We release a new video every Wednesday. So stay tuned. So guys, we're here to talk about FHA mortgages, and my favorite mortgage person to go to, my trusted mortgage person, is Kim Pounders with Shelter Mortgage. Kim, how are you today?
I'm doing great and happy to be here, Tim. Thanks for the invite again.
So just found out what a big animal lover you really are. So 2 dogs, 2 cats,
Yes,
and a
and the
horse.
horse.
Yeah.
Yes.
No birds, no canaries, nothing like that.
No. I do have a client that has a pig, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I'd love to have a pig.
Well, pigs are next. So let's get on to FHA mortgages. So,
Okay.
first of all, what is an FHA mortgage, Kim?
So FHA stands for Federal Housing Administration. It is a mortgage that is insured by FHA. FHA requires normally a lower monthly down payment, and it's great for if you have lower credit scores. So it's a little bit easier qualifying than a conventional loan.
So does FHA actually loan money?
So FHA doesn't actually lend you the money. That's what I'm here for. I lend you the money, but FHA, they guarantee the loan.
Why would I want an FHA mortgage over like a conventional mortgage?
So FHA, the benefits is easier credit qualifications and it's smaller down payments.
So can I get pre-approved for FHA?
Yes, you can.
Okay. And what's the pre-approval process? How long would it typically take me to qualify for an FHA loan?
So that normally takes anywhere from 24 to 48 hours. I'm going to pre-approve you just like I would a conventional mortgage. So it's not any, doesn't take any longer or less time. It's just a matter of how quick you can complete your online application and get your documents to me.
Typically, Kim, how much do I have to put down when I have an FHA mortgage?
Just 3.5%.
And can I put down more than that if I want to and still get an FHA mortgage?
Yes, sir.
Is that a common occurrence or?
No, typically most people put 3.5% down. I have had people put more than that down, and it may have to do with we'll look at your credit scores, your debt to income ratios, and FHA is just a little more forgiving than the conventional. So we just kind of compare the two to see what makes a difference. So I've had customers put 5% down and 10% down.
So what about closing costs? Are closing costs kind of comparable on FHA loans?
Yeah, so closing costs are going to range anywhere from 2% to 4%. And what dictates that? You're normally on that 2% range until we start talking about discount fees and discount points, and then it goes a little bit higher towards the 4%. And that is the consumer's choice.
And I've heard there's a little different inspection process for FHA. What's involved? Is there only certain inspectors that can handle FHA inspections?
So now the inspection piece, I'm going to come back to you, Tim, if you're getting the home inspected. If you're talking about appraisals, there is a different form for an FHA appraisal. And an FHA appraisal does just a little bit more than conventional. It's not the same as, 10 years ago, if someone put an offer on your home for an FHA, I feel like sellers got a little nervous and real estate agents got a little nervous. But, they're so similar now. Yes, an appraiser is going to look underneath the house, they may look in the attic. But just like on a conventional loan, if they see rotten wood, they have to tell us. You can't nail your windows shut, that kind of thing. But there's not a lot of difference anymore.
Can I use an FHA loan for an investment property?
No. So FHA is only used for your primary residence only. Cannot be used for a second home or an investment property.
So I really can't have two FHA loans?
No. You can only have one at a time. There are exceptions to that rule. So let's say I have an FHA loan and I live in North Carolina and I'm moving to Atlanta and I already have an FHA loan, sometimes we can get an exception if you're trying to sell that FHA loan.
Gotcha. The easiest thing for somebody to do to get started with an FHA loan is contact you to get it started. And
Yes.
we'll put Kim's information up on the screen and link her information in the description. But an email or a phone call directly to Kim can get you started. And one of the reasons I love to use Kim is Kim's a listener. So, to me, there's just a lot of angst about getting qualified for a loan and getting things started. But Kim will listen to you, and she's the person that can help you get started to get that FHA loan going. Kim, thanks for talking to me today, and have a great day. And we'll be doing this again in a month or so.
Well, Tim, thank you so much for having me. It's a pleasure. I love working with you. So you guys, when you're looking for that rock star real estate agent that goes the extra mile, give Tim a call. He's got all the handy dandy tools that you need. I'll talk to you all soon.
I hope that video helped you with a little information about FHA mortgages. But if you want all the details, I'd recommend you click on the description down at the bottom, contact Kim directly, or you can contact me and I'll put you in touch with Kim, because there's a lot more to learn about FHA mortgages, and Kim's the pro. So stay tuned. Next Wednesday, we're going to release another video about a wonderful in-town Atlanta neighborhood.